Hello, my name is Rowan. I'm the inside sales representative here at ESPI, and today I have a video for you on our Mega Titan unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Mega Titan and instruction manuals. A can wrench is needed to latch and unlatch the unit. Additional holes are provided in case a padlock is needed. You just twist to unlatch, open it up, there's an arm here at the top to keep the door open, your battery bracket, your control panel, and your positive and negative battery wires. Close the unit, latch it. Thank you for watching. Leave us a comment down below with any questions you may have. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn, and look forward to future videos.